Welcome to the basics of C++. This is video number 11 and we're going to take a look at the if-else statement. So the next version of the if statement is the if-else statement. So let's say you have two options, as in let's say there are only two flavors of ice cream available. It's either chocolate or vanilla. So you go for chocolate, and let's say you don't like the look of it. So you're going to end up with vanilla. You can't just expect anything else, any other flavor. So that's pretty much an if-else statement. Um, so there's an if and there's a text expression, and you do something. If that text expression is true, and you just go back to normal execution, that is to the dot 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 part. But let's say the test expression is false. That means you have no option but to do whatever is written in the else statement. So there's an if, and if that's true, you do something and then continue with your normal work. Otherwise, there's just one more option left, so you just do that and again go and continue with whatever is left to do. So that's basic and a rough explanation of the if-else statement. Now remember the order even problem. So we're going to go back there and see how this else statement can save us a lot of typing, I say. Okay, so this is the order even program we had written, although I've deleted the second if statement. Instead of the second if statement, I am going to include an else statement. Else, um, that. Okay, so else cout odd number. So, do you guys think it makes sense? Because see, if a number is divisible by 2, it's an even number. It's not divisible by 2, it's an odd number directly. There's nothing to check further. As in, there are only two types of numbers. As in this classification, there's either even or odd. If it's divisible by 2, it's even. Else, it's going to be odd. You don't need to check if it's not divisible by 2. Because you've already checked that it's not divisible by 2 by failing the condition under if. So there's a direct if and else statement. So you save typing down another checking condition, and you can directly go ahead and put an else block to print the alternative answer. So that's how you modify the even or odd function, even or odd program. Let's just test it once. 3 odd number. Let's probably enter like 10 even number.